Hello YouTubers. Today, actually, it's the same day. This is just a little bit later. This is what I ordered here. That's my name here, but it's my name. Okay. I ordered it in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and it's very heavy. Guess what's inside? I'm not gonna tell you immediately because you know already. I will put the name on it. But it is voila! It's welder machine. Small 75 amps, but this time is 220 volts. That's important. It says mild steel 1/4 or 6.4 millimeters thickness. AC, but 220 75. The difference between 220 and 110 is obviously double more of a voltage with a 75 on the secondary. So you basically have double more power. The only problem is I don't have 220 volts. I have 120 all through our house. Let's see what's inside. Have this thing. Okay, and I'm gonna use this opportunity. If you go slowly, make sure you get everything. So it's good. No, you just stand. I'm gonna move slowly. So anytime you want, you can stop. I can stop. I'm doing that for myself too, because if I lose my papers, I don't have to go and download manuals. You can always go here, watch the video, and stop and have complete manuals. Especially if you don't have a welding experience like I don't, then you can always go back and read your manuals. Takes a couple of minutes, but it's not that much. It has some good features, I hope so. See? Some explanation and pictures, part list, and that's it. That's it. Let's see what's inside. UPS slip. Okay. A little bit broken. I guess. Okay. Yeah, that's a good deal. It was $150 Canadians. Of course, the quality is not that good, but still, you have a brush, you have a handle. I guess this thing goes like this. This thing goes like this. I just plug it inside somehow, if you can. I guess you have to apply much more power than I do. Anyway, something like that. One, I missed the other one, but that's the idea, right? And then you have a mask, cheap mask, one hand. But that's not important. This is what's important, actually. What's inside? Comes with the electrodes. And it comes with this thing here. So I'm supposed to, I guess, that's the light protective thing. I don't think it has a special way how to put it, so I'm gonna put it this way, labeled toward me. I'm gonna put it this way here, and that's a holder that holds it together. And that's it. That's how you put it. Main thing, you don't get any damage to your eyes. That's very important. I have to fix this, but that's the main idea. So, get rid of that. This thing. So that's the plug. Plug is, let's see. plug is about, I'm not very tall, so I guess 2 meters. It's about 6 feet anyway. I'm 5'9", so must be 2 meters or something. Rods are 2, 0, 0, 52 and 2, 0, 0, 7, 8, 7. And to these, 10% at 75 amps. That probably means that you work 10% and 90%. You stop to allow the cooling process for the unit. Alright? So the whole unit is traditionally built, that's what I wanted, with a big transformer, right? The big transformer, so you see here primary coil and you have a secondary coil. Of course it's 200 volts. Here you have information. 75 amps, blah blah blah. No load voltage, 48 volts, 40 to 75. So I believe they changed the shunt with this. So it's a little bit slower process, but you see if you move this way or if you move this way, then you lower the amperage. See, increase, now we should go toward the 75 amps or the thicker. And on off button, let's check these guys here, how long are they? And that's as I said, that's a welding machine for the beginners. For the beginners, and I'm a beginner, I always wanted to have that, but the reason I bought 220 just pure makes sense. Canadian Tire here in Calgary, Alberta. I'll stop talking about this. So this is the mass, and this is a electrode holder. So it's not bad. I like it. Underneath, it's metal, made in China, of course. Rubber feet. It's fairly heavy. I like it. Of course, I'm gonna open it up and go into details how it works. With this probably shunt moving in and out of the ferrite or the iron core of the transformer. But I just like it. The thing is, I don't have 220, and that's the reason. That's another project. I bought this guy here, but that's another story. So, we're buying this guy and buying the electric car soon. I'm gonna move into 220, 240 volts. This cable, by the way, is 300 volts, blah 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 blah. 3.31 millimeter square, 12 American wire gauge, 12 gauge. This guy here is 10 millimeters, so 1 centimeters thickness in the secondary. Okay, next time I'm gonna hook it up when I finish with 220 installation outlet, and then I'm gonna try it out. Thanks, bye bye, thanks for watching.